Hey guys, it's Dara, and today for you guys I have the Ipsy bag. When I would have recorded this earlier, and I actually did do a recording earlier, except for something happened and it stopped. So now I gotta re-record it. This was literally stuffed in my mailbox like this because my roommate has one. I had a package in there, and then I could not get it open. I had to be like, yo, Noah, my roommate. I was like, can you help me out? It's like, yeah, let me just do whatever I need to do, and then we'll go to the mailbox. I was like, great. So we do have some products in here I'm really excited about. The first one is the Kaleido Cosmetics. This is a skin blush. They say to use a fluffy brush and do it in layers. I'm like, okay. Actually, let me put a little bit on. I'm just gonna pat. And this is actually, ooh, that's nice. Like, you could still see like my powder contour, but you can't see my blush, and I put on a lot of blush this morning. So let me just pull this, and it's a nice pinky shade, and it has some metallic sheen to it. It does have a nice sheen, kind of gives you like a healthy look, so I do like this. The next product we have is by Estate, and this is called Shmoney. And it's quite funny because this reminds me of Cardi B because she says shmoney. And this is a nice little green. My only thing is I don't wear too many greens. But it's really cute. But I just don't know how much I'm going to wear this. That's the only thing. The only thing. I'm just going to wipe this off here. And then I just went down. We have one of my favorite products here. This is the Bag Down Big Mascara. And this has to be one of the best mascaras I have ever used, and one of the long-lasting mascaras. It's not waterproof. It's not, but it takes a lot to get this to come off. Usually what I'll do is I'll put it on, obviously, throughout the day, come home ready to take off my makeup, and I have to literally put water, and I put it a little bit on, but I have to put water, like I'm like, whatever, and I have to wait for the water to soak in so I can get it off. If not, after I'm done washing my face, I go into the eyes, and if I go into the eyes and my mascara won't come off, I'm literally like that ugly trying to clean my face look. But that does happen. I'm like, ugh. Next product we have is by Lord & Berry. This is their crayon lipstick in Here and Now. This is a very orange color. It is the color that is currently on my lips. Like I said, I had to refilm this because for some reason it just stopped and I lost it. Like, it wasn't even there. So I was like, oh shit. Last thing we have is hand cream. My one thing is I don't usually use different hand creams than the ones that I already use, which is Jergens, the original scent, and the Bath and Body Works Shea Butter. But this actually, my hands feel really nice, and it says it's coconut milk is the scent. It's made in France, but it actually feels really nice. It doesn't smell too much like coconut, so I am thankful for that. I am very thankful for that. So it is, just trying to get my bag off the floor. It actually feels really nice on my hand, so I am thankful for that. But if I have to be honest and rate this bag, I'd probably give it like an 8 out of 10 because, again, I don't like wearing oranges, and I don't wear greens on my eyelids. I wear more purples and browns, but, you know, sometimes I'll throw green on there, but not too much. So really you just have to put in for your reviews every month. So there's that. So this, I would say, is an 8 out of 10. It is a $10 monthly subscription box, or, well, I guess bag. Plus Arizona, they have to now charge you sales tax. So which is totally fine. So it just is a little bit more than $10, but before taxes, I don't know about any other state, it is $10. I don't know what the state taxes is or if they have to charge you now, but it is base of $10. Let's see. I'm just trying to see if there's anything on here, like pricing wise. Nope. That is it. So yeah, and I upgraded to Glam Bag Plus, so that is on its way. But I have both of them now. Finally, I was able to get my hands on the Glam Bag Plus. I was like, thank God. Like, I've been a monthly subscriber for you guys for years, and I have not been able to have the opportunities to subscribe. So, finally am subscribed to that. But it is a great monthly subscription. I would definitely, if you guys are looking to divulge into more makeup or experiment with makeup, I would definitely choose Ipsy. Like I said, because it's very customized. All you need to do is go in and review and be like, yes, I like this, but I don't like the color. No, I don't like this at all. Preferably, I don't like getting lotions in a subscription box because that's just wasting a product that I could have gotten. But it is what it is. Like I said, you just have to go in, be like, yes, no, I don't like this, rate it. You can get points, and then you can get free stuff. So that is it. You guys have a great, wonderful day. Stay tuned. I'm going to have my alert box out. I actually have it behind me, so I'm going to be filming that right now. So just stay tuned, subscribe, like this video, and I will see you in my next video, which is coming right up. Bye.